Welcome to TrueSolv, the ultimate tool for streamlining your sales process and boosting your team's performance. TrueSolv is designed to help sales teams manage their interactions more effectively and increase conversions. Why do you need TrueSolv? It ensures your sales team is always prepared with the right scripts for every scenario, providing consistency and efficiency in every call. With TrueSolv, users can create and organize call scripts, run them on standard objects, track script effectiveness, and much more. Let's dive into the features that make TrueSolv a game changer. Standard objects support. Manage your accounts, leads, and contacts effortlessly. Add the script view component to these objects to start and manage scripts directly. Create and organize call scripts. In the Call Scripts tab, you can create, edit, and organize your scripts, ensuring your team always has the right tools for every sales interaction. Track script effectiveness. The Script Run History tab lets you track how scripts are being used and analyze their performance, helping you identify areas for improvement. Define and execute script stages. Set up and manage the steps in your call scripts with the Script Screen Stages tab. Easily create, edit, and delete stages to keep your process smooth and efficient. Easy screen management. Add, edit, or delete screens within your scripts effortlessly. Customize each screen with titles, stages, and dynamic text fields. Customizable customer responses. Create interactive scripts with buttons for customer responses. Guide conversations naturally and handle any scenario with ease. Utilize merge fields. Personalize your call scripts with ease using the Merge Fields feature. Insert dynamic fields like customer names, company details, and more directly into your scripts. This ensures each interaction feels tailored and relevant, enhancing customer engagement and overall sales experience. And that's a quick overview of TrueSolv. Download TrueSolv today and take your sales process to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact at help@truesolv.com.